Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So this is Mel again. We have another unboxing to do. Well, first of all, I hope everyone's doing fine in this fine and lovely day. Sunny but a little bit cold. It's gonna be winter soon in New Zealand, so I hope everyone's having a good day. So this is it's heavy. It's around 2.2 or 2.3 kg. And these are, I just offered for this lot. I just offered it to the seller, but and then I received a counter offer, and I think it's a reasonable price, so I accepted the offer. I'm just covering the stuff because the seller's info is there, and on the other side it's my info, so need to cover it for privacy, of course, privacy reasons. All right, here we go. Remove the thing. Here we go. So this is 2000 200 well, 200, probably, I don't know, 200 plus. I don't know how many coins in 1 kg, how many UK pennies and half penny in 1 kg. Is a lot of it. This is all half penny from different era. You can see a lot. There's a whole lot of it. Here we go. I think if I remember right, the starting price is around $35 or something like that. But I offered around, I think, 28, and then the seller offered me around $31 or 32, and of course I got it. As you can see, there's a lot, lots of it, lots of coins from United Kingdom 1 penny. I like 1 penny coins, especially United Kingdom ones. There's a lot of it, but still have a cool value and a nice piece of history, as you can see. And who knows, maybe we'll get the rare one, 1933 UK penny, which is they only made 7 known coin of 1933 1 penny. And they make a lot of different stuff with coins. They make it pendant and sometimes engraved things. So we'll see what's in here. It's a lot. So let me just get it a little bit closer. So this is Queen Victoria, the veiled portrait, and it's from 1900. It's bent. I don't know what happened with that one, but yeah, it is bent. This one is, oh, it's very hard to see this one. It's King George from 1930, 35 or 38. I think it's 38. 38 or 35. I'm wearing glasses, but it's difficult to see, really, so I must be getting old. This one is King George V from 1912. It's a type of mark or something. So I don't know what that one is. Okay, this one is another belled head of Queen Victoria, and this is from 1899. It's a nice one. This is nice and shiny, I see. It's from 1963. So it's Queen Elizabeth II. Nice and shiny. It's a half penny. from King Edward VII era. This is from 1910. It's a nice one. So this, and this one is from 18 something, eh? Yes, it's a coin of Queen Victoria, the young portrait. See the bun head. Queen Victoria. It's just hard to see the date. 1885, I think. I think it's too bright. King George the Fifth again, 1920. Come on, I like 1933. Where is it? Hope you have one here. King Edward, 1908. I don't think we'll get to all of it. It's a lot of it, really. So just see what the interesting ones, I guess. It's another build portrait from 1900, Queen Victoria. I think this is a small version or a small portrait of King George the Fifth from 1930. I think 1930. I think. What else? Anything else interesting? It's a lot of it. Another King George the Fifth from 1936. A lot of coins. Too many. Well, mostly the 1933 is King George the Fifth, and I see a lot of King George the Fifth. Like this one is an earlier version, 1916. Okay, another build portrait, 1899. Nice and shiny, and it have a patina. Oh, this is an old one. Queen Victoria, the young portrait, halfpenny, from 1889. Very nice. Very nice one. It's 1921, halfpenny. Some are unique. So this one is another old portrait, the Bell portrait, 1898. It's just a bit worn now. See, seems someone engraved something there, but it's not that clear. It's this one. This one is a very old one. Okay, 1875. I think 1875 have a good value. And this one has been shot at, I think. They have a bent there. Someone shot it, I think this one, see? I think the 1875 H are the one that have value. But it doesn't have an H on the date, so... Anyway, it's a unique one because it have a... It's been shot at, I think, probably an air gun or something. Or, it's an old coin with probably those rifles back in those era. So this is 1812. Anything exciting? This is 1914. 1914 halfpenny. Looks very small. So I don't know what happened with this one. It's like it have I don't know, shiny, but on the other side it's like it have some markings or something. I don't know. Seems like it's been heated or something. And the date is, I don't know what date is that one. Can you read the date? Can you read the date for me? Is it 1935? 33? Is it 33? I can't read it properly. 35, I think. 36. I wish it was 1933. King George D6, 1938. I'm just looking for unusual coins that that I don't know, maybe have damage, unique, or something. Because if we go one by one, can you imagine? Few hours. This one looks nice. 1901. Okay, so these coins are, it's a 1 penny one, and it's a 1901. It's the first year of the reign of King Edward VII. So it's the first coins that were minted for Edward VII. It's a 1 penny. He reigned until 1910. So don't be that much coins on his name. Okay. So this one looks like it's been a pendant. So this one is Queen Victoria, the young portrait, and it is from 1887. I just don't know why, So you'll be using it as a pendant, hanging it like this. Even if you go in there, it's like, okay. It's not a good pendant if you hang it on your neck like this and that one. So, but anyway, people do lots of things to coins. This is a nicer one. It's 1967, Queen Elizabeth. See. Okay, it was this one. This one is 1917, and King George the Fifth. Nothing more unique. I like the ones that are unique. Mind you, I don't know how many coins of or 1 penny United Kingdom I have already. I have lots. It's 1938 King George VI. Yeah, I have lots of 1 penny coins from United Kingdom, and I don't know how many kilos. There's a lot of it. I have lots with different dates and varieties and different uh, conditions. And I don't know. I really like 1 penny coins. And this is the one I buy most of the time. So okay, bondhead of Queen Victoria. It's in a very nice condition. It's 1879. Very nice. You can see the lighthouse and the ship on the other side. So very nice. See, it's a lovely coin. Anything interesting I see is a lot of coins. So this is another Queen Victoria bondhead, 1891. Very nice. This is nice and shiny. It's from 1936. They minted lots of 1936. I have lots of 1936. And this one is this is a nice condition as well, 1885. The bondhead. You sell it one by one, it's a big money actually. So I didn't realize we have a parting here. 1940 parting. King George VI. Very nice. I think that's the only parting I have in here. Hopefully have more. That's another King George dipit. Put it here. I don't know what happened with this one. It's like it's been engraved or something. Anything else? A lot of interesting stuff. Not much. See if you sell these coins one by one. Wow. If you sell it like, let's say 50 cents for each piece, it's big money. Here we go. So another Queen Victoria Bunhead, 1889. Still look nice. This one have a nice patina. 1898. 1 penny. What else? Oh, it's a lot. 1900. This one is an older one. 1889. 1 penny. Just, it's just not clear though. But it will be Queen Victoria's Bunhead portrait. Okay, this looks nice. It's a nice one. 1937. I don't know. It seems like it's a proof coin. Nice, very nice. Oh, another Queen Victoria Bunhead. Oh, okay, 1875. But it doesn't have the H1 below. The H1 is the valuable one. Because it's from the Heaton Mint, I think. It's 1897. Alright, well, if we go to all of this, it's gonna be like forever. 1938. But I will, in time I will check one by one and see if I have a 1933 here. 1933 1 penny, the holy grail of United Kingdom penny. So I'll just okay, just one more. Another Queen Victoria 1892. And another one, okay, 1886. Looks nice. So, oh, another old one, okay, 1875 again. I don't see an H below, but yeah, it is, 1875. It's another one. Oh, it's an old build head. I think it's gonna be forever if we all sort it out one by one. As much as it is an unboxing coin, it is take a while for us to to cover all this. So here you go. I hope you enjoy these coins, this unboxing, and I do hope everything's doing good and having a good day. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. And thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.